Great. Hi, everyone. I'm just talking to my beautiful client, Sarah Briggs, today. So she was kind enough to come on and just share a few words of what it's like working together, the results she got, what basically happened. I'll let you tell her. So Sarah, just introduce yourself, tell everybody like what you do and, a little bit about your business.
All right, so I am Sarah Briggs. I'm in upstate New York. I have been behind the chair for 23 years now, I believe. And
Wow.
yeah, like half of that time has been as an independent stylist, booth rental stylist running a business.
I love that. I love that. So when we started working together, so you found me, I think on a live or something, right? You watched one of my videos somewhere. Is that right? Yeah, I think that's how we met,
And
right?
then I read your book.
Oh yeah, that was so awesome. Creating
I'm like,
impact, right?
yeah, definitely. I'm like, I need to know more.
Oh, that's so awesome. So let's just talk about real quick, like what were you struggling with and what did that look like for you? What was the biggest struggle in your business, like when we started working together?
So I felt like when we first got together and I met you, I was really just struggling with, I was just stuck. I didn't know what I wanted to do at this point, where I was going. I just really didn't have a lot of direction for the future.
Yeah, so you're kind of missing like that clarity.
Yeah.
So what would you say like the biggest takeaway? Like after working together, what was like the biggest takeaway that shifted for you? Like the aha moment that changed everything?
Oh my gosh. There's so many.
I just pick one.
So I had to write notes down so I could
That's okay. Just be
in my
yourself.
thoughts there. So I would say one of the biggest one was just figuring out what I really wanted out of my career and just taking control of my life and my career and where I wanted to go with that. And then, really being unapologetic about, about making the decisions that I'm making in my career to better my life and
Right.
to get to where I want to be.
It's so powerful. So
Yeah.
for anyone who's on the fence, because I'm going to be launching, it's the 4-week program you're in. I'm going to be in a launch and someone's going to be watching this video who's thinking about working with me. What would you say to them if they're on the fence and they're afraid to spend the money to invest in themselves? Like what would you say to them, to that person, like just who's like not sure what to do? Because in our industry, a lot of people are not sure what to do. It's something new, so it's scary.
Absolutely. I do it. Absolutely do it. Maria, you changed my life. So,
Oh,
oh my gosh, like I can't even put into words how special you are to me.
oh, you're gonna make me cry. That's so amazing. See, this is what it's all about, man. To me, it's all about that transformation, like that massive result that you got, that you wanted, and everybody's results different,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, absolutely. I feel like I'm finally, you helped me discover what's not working, what is working, and then doing more of that, figuring out what's working, focusing on that, what's really bringing the money in, what isn't.
Right. And what feels good, right? Ultimately, what feels good.
Yeah, really starting to trust my own intuition and following that and focusing, like blending that with what's actually happening in my business. What are my numbers?
Yes. Math is money. I love that one. I always say that. I said that to someone this morning. I'm like, yeah, but if you don't know your numbers, we can't figure this out. So that is so powerful, knowing those numbers.
Absolutely. And just figuring out, one of the things that really stuck with me working with you is I always go back to what's this decision costing me? What's it costing me to do this or to not do this? You know, whether it's, you know, I could upsell my client today, or I could send a few messages. What's it going to cost me not to do that?
Yes, that makes me so happy. Sarah, thank you so much for sharing like your truth, for sharing like your goodness. And honestly, the most thing I want to thank you for is for trusting me with your business and with your decisions and allowing me to support you. I am so grateful. Thank you so much.
I'm so grateful to you.
Oh, thank you, baby. I am so anyone who's watching this, Sarah Briggs, she got her results. She got more than she bargained for. And I'm so grateful she was here. Thanks, Sarah.
Thank you, Maria.
Thank you, babe.